My name is Mark Walker. I'm a native Orangeburger. This is my hometown, and it's always a pleasure to come back home to see everyone. Normally when I'm here representing the National Kidney Foundation. We used to have the kidney walk. In fact, Orangeburg has the distinction of being the inaugural kidney walk in South Carolina. It's been about 6 years ago, I think, we started that program here in Orangeburg, South Carolina. But for the majority of African Americans in South Carolina, a kidney transplant is needed because of hypertension and diabetes. That is the #1 cause of kidney transplant. People on dialysis who need transplants. And that really was the reason that we picked Orangeburg several years ago for the inaugural kidney walk, was to bring the message that there's an epidemic here in the Orangeburg County. Bamberg, Orangeburg, Allendale. It's like taking a belt and going across the state of South Carolina, and you'll find it right here. So that's kind of, and I'm going to be jumping back and forth, that's kind of why Orangeburg comes up on the radar screen for kidney disease. What are some of the common denominators that are associated with that in the African American community? It's diet. It plays a big part in what we do in our health. Exercise, we've got to exercise, watch what we eat, and then also we got to go see the doctor.
My name is Jalal Hakmi. I'm a nephrologist. I work here in Orangeburg. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why do we care about kidney disease? I mean, South Carolina has a high prevalence of kidney disease compared to the rest of the country. But in general, even in the United States, the burden of kidney disease is very high. It's estimated about 30 million people in the United States have kidney disease. About 600,000 are on dialysis. So it's a very high number of patients percentage-wise. The difficult part about chronic kidney disease is that it's a silent disease, meaning it has no symptoms. You lead your life without any problems, without any complaints, only to one day hear that, oh, my kidneys don't work very well. You know, it comes out of the blue. It's not like a stroke, you know, with strokes, numbness and weakness. With heart attacks, it's a chest pain. With kidney disease, really nothing going on. The only time you have symptoms is when the kidneys are shut down and you need dialysis. That's too late. So what's important with kidney disease is prevention. Because when the kidneys get injured, they kind of scar down, and whatever scars down doesn't come back. So you really want to protect your kidneys. And that's very important for the African American community. Compared to Caucasians, they're 3.5 times more likely to have chronic kidney disease. Hispanics are 1.5 times more likely. So, you know, the African American community has a predisposition, unfortunately, for that.
Doctors are a good thing. So they're from the Lord. God gives us things to help us. He can do it himself. We can send agents like doctors to give us information so we can apply these applications to our life and be better. This whole forum here is about information and access. And we heard all the numbers and heard all the statistics today. Quite frankly, pretty alarming. You start thinking about the impact of diseases and the costs associated with these diseases and how we can do things to make our life better. We need to have meetings, and since we've come to hear this, now we become the choir. We got to communicate this. We got to cascade this information to our community for those who are not here, who hadn't heard, so they can have better information, so they can actually live better.
Hi, I've got 3 outstanding young people who are here this afternoon for this important program. All of you happen to be from Claflin University. What did you think about this program tonight, and what did you think about kidney disease and what you learned about dialysis? What did you think about the program?
Tonight it's been very insightful because I didn't really know anything about it before I came here. So I learned a lot from the doctor that came and spoke to us, and I'll take that back to my family.
Have any of your families had to suffer from kidney disease or any of these ailments that you know of in your family?
Not specifically kidney disease, but definitely something that leads to it. Diabetes is something that my grandmother suffers from, so definitely was informational, and I think it fits the mission of NAACP to even have an event like this. So definitely educating your community about the health benefits of, taking care of yourself and taking care of your kidney health is definitely important. So.
Of St. Paul Baptist Church. Of course, this is a program about health.
Yes, sir.
How important is it that churches like yours and Mount Pisgah are involved in the life of the community in terms of the health of your parishioners?
We have to learn the importance of taking care of our bodies, because our body is a tabernacle in flesh, a dwelling place for the Holy Spirit. And many of us know how to do church, but we don't know how to take care of ourselves. And what we eat is very important. So I believe as a pastor coming along together with Mount Pisgah is very important because we need to educate our people about the importance of health.